Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. With Easter just around the corner, we're here to bring you a delicious treat that's perfect for your Easter gatherings. Chicken cheese sliders. Let's jump into the recipe. First let's make the chicken filling. So into a pan add some oil, saute some garlic, add some finely chopped onion. Saute it until it becomes translucent. Add some minced chicken into it. Saute it and cook the chicken. Add some salt, pepper, oregano and some chili flakes. Saute it well. Into that add veggies like bell peppers and some chopped cabbage. You can add carrots, green peas or any other veggies of your choice. Saute it and cook the veggies. Into that add some sauces like soy sauce, tomato ketchup and some mayo. Turn off the flame and mix it nicely. The mixture should be slightly wet like this. Now the filling is ready. Now let's assemble it. Here I am using some pav bread which is homemade. The recipe for this is already uploaded in my channel. I'll place the link in the description below. Cut open the pav bread. Place it on a baking tray. Apply some tomato ketchup on top. Add some cheese slices. Add the chicken filling. Place some more cheese slices on top. Now place the other half of the bread on top of the cheese slices. Now here I am adding some melted butter mixed with oregano and crushed garlic. Apply it generously on top of the buns. Bake for around 10 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. And there you have it. Our chicken sliders are ready. Oh, look at the melted cheese inside. It's so delicious and yummy. These sliders are perfect for any Easter gathering, whether it's a brunch or a family dinner. They are sure to be a hit with everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!